Hello everyone, this is the Keychron K8 from Kickstarter. I got this today morning from USPS, arrived earlier than I expected, and I am gonna open it and see how it looks like. It's basically a keyboard that I got from Kickstarter. It's a mechanical keyboard, and as you will see, it looks awesome. Now, first and foremost, I'm gonna talk about the packaging. The packaging is really good because even when I held it, I realized that they have used very good quality. I don't know if you can still call them bubbles, but yeah, they've used some very good quality packaging materials. It was easy for me to rip this off. I'm gonna open it up a little. So this is what it looks like now. See, it says Keychron mechanical keyboard over there. And here we have the keyboard. As you can see, it has the TKL lockout layout. I don't know what that means. Dual compatibility. That's awesome because I often struggle with that. From what I've heard, it has a really good battery life. It says right here it lasts up to 4 weeks. And the light effects that I got was the basic minimal one because I don't want to get too fancy with my backlight effects of RGB, but they have a lot of fancy ones. I just got the regular white one. Now we see over here it says Keychron, and says the same thing over here. Now let's take it out. I'm gonna just open this up, okay, and going to this. There we go. Keychron K8. Oh, nice. I love the packaging. That's the first thing that I'd say. That's just awesome. It says over here, this is a regular keyboard. I didn't get it with the number keys because I'm a developer and I honestly don't need it so much. Ooh, they have some instructions over here. So this says over here is a Bluetooth cable. Over here it says for the light effect they have a dedicated key. RGB version I didn't take, but apparently you can switch it using the function key. Disable auto sleep mode, turn off the backlight. Let's see, connect the cable. Now which cable are we talking about here? I would be happy if it would be a USB-C, but let's find out what that is. It is USB-C, wonderful. And then they have this is very important for us, function keys. Good. It seems you can do Fn plus X plus L to switch from Windows to Mac and vice versa. You can remap keys, which is a really good feature. Like that, what that means is that if one of your keys break, all you have to do is replace it and boom, you have it done. And over here as well, I guess you can activate Siri or Cortana, and I honestly don't want to. Now let's see. Okay, this is what the keep. So, oh, good, another extra layer of packaging, always welcomed. This I believe are the keys. You can literally just push it in and it'll work, from what I've heard and read in the advertisement. And then let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh wow, this is chunkier than I thought. Okay. one over here. I guess this is for taking the keys off. But anyways, this is how it looks like. And now this is what it looks like. Let's give you a nice look of it. So this is nice. Now the keyboard in itself is very chunky. Like, this is chunky, and not only is it chunky, it is heavy. Like, compared to every other keyboard I've had, especially if you're coming from the world of MacBook keyboards, this is heavy. Like, I'm telling you, this is not something that you can easily take around with yourself. The second point that you have to understand is that it comes with a charger, and the point having this charger is that you don't have to always keep it switched connected, but from what I've seen, you have to definitely do it regularly. Here is the charger place. This is, I believe, for, let's focus a little bit here. It says over here it's for Windows or Android switch, and then this is Bluetooth or wired. Now it also comes with this booklet, and the booklet basically just, it's the same stuff, but I suppose that's very nice. It's a little more detailed. I really like the fact that they have a quick tutorial kind of guide, and then there's this one in detail. That's really nice of them to do. So that's about it. That's the unpacking of Keychron K8 keyboard, and I'll let you know what my experience with that is. Thank you.